In this video, we are going to learn how to handle Telegram commands. What Telegram command means, it's any word that begins with a /. So if I say start, this is a command which is different from start. This is different from start. So how do we handle commands? Let's open PyCharm, and in here I'm going to create a new file, call it main.py. Remember from the previous videos, this is what we did. We imported Telegram, and we created an instance of Telegram bot, passing in the token. What this does is give us a bot object that we can use to interact with the API. But then what happened when we get message from the bot? The third-party package give us some utilities and tools to make that easier. So instead of using this instance, I'll come here and say from telegram.ext import updater, and I'll create an instance of updater, and I need to pass in the token which I'll get from bot the father. So copy this and paste it here. So the work of an updater is to check for new messages from the API. So it will do the pouring to check if there is any new message. What will happen when the updater gets a message or a command? So we need a way of handling that message. For each updater, we have a dispatcher, which is a property of updater. So what dispatcher does, it allows us to register handlers. And these handlers can be different types of handlers, starting with the command handler, message handler, or text handler, video, audio, etc. So now that we have the dispatcher, how do we create the handler? So in here we are going to create a command handler, and to do this is easy. We have a class called command handler already provided for us. All we have to do is instantiate the class. We assign it a variable. I'll call this start handler command, and this takes at least two values. The first one is the command itself, start, and the second one is a callback function. So we need to define a callback function. So here we will define a command callback function, and I'll call this start, which takes in two arguments. The first one is the bot instance that we can use to interact with the API, and the other one is the instance of the message itself. And from the message instance or object, we can pull out information about message ID, and sort. Now we want every time we receive a start button to set back a message. So we are going to use the bot, and then you use a setMessage function, which takes in two values. First is the chat ID, and to get the chat ID, we'll get it from the message object pass to us. So I'll say update.message